you serve that are selfish will take you no further than yourself, but the ends you serve that are for all, in common, will take you even into eternity.
During our deliberations, the members of the panel agreed that it was an invaluable experience interacting with the candidates who were shortlisted and interviewed. We were impressed with the caliber of the candidates, their educational achievement, the passion for the work that they do, and a vision of the impact that their training will have on national development.
As part of the government's continued drive to provide world-class education and training to its citizens, a key component incorporates the alignment of the training needs to the present and future demands of the country. The Marcus Garvey Scholarship Program is an initiative of the Government of Jamaica in responding to the need to unearth latent potential within the public sector, to develop individuals who can advance the GOJ's core deliverables against a changing global landscape.
Talk to them. This is the land of kings and queens.
Jamaicans must reign supreme.
One love,
one heart, united in a dream,
working together as a team.
Scientists claim
It's a mystery
fastest human
in a history.
If a reggae music
Our
card,
place in the track.
salute the green, the gold and the black.
If a reggae music,
Our place in the track,
Salute.
the green, the gold and the black.
jam down baby, jam down baby. And we are the future.
Generation jump.
As we reflect on the words of Marcus Garvey, a visionary leader whose principle continues to inspire us, we remind ourselves of the importance of resilience, courage, and a positive mindset that is needed to shape our collective destiny. It was Marcus Garvey who said, "With confidence, you have won before you have started." The recipients of the Marcus Garvey Scholarship has demonstrated this confidence by standing out in the pursuit of excellence.
The selection committee, which is chaired by His Excellency the Governor General, has a difficult time, a challenging time, with a number of quality applications that are received. But the good thing is that this is a big scholarship, and I want to encourage all those in the public service who are thinking about applying to go ahead and apply for the Marcus Garvey Public Sector Graduate Scholarship, and to congratulate all those who have been successful in being awarded a Marcus Garvey Public Sector Graduate Scholarship. You are a part of changing Jamaica.